This car was sold for way less than it should have been. A rare machine worth millions. Let go for almost nothing. But what happened next changed everything for decades. It sat in silence, hidden from the world, covered in dust, slowly fading into history. This is not just any car. This is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe, one of the rarest automobiles ever created. Time changes everything. The owner, now older, faced a decision: keep the memory or let it go. And in the end, he chose to sell it, not for what it was worth, but for what he needed. A priceless legend, sold for a fraction of its true value. And just like that, the story begins again. A silent machine, about to be reborn. Inside a specialized restoration workshop, experts gather around it, carefully studying every inch. Because before anything can be fixed, everything must be understood. Years of neglect left their mark. Rust creeping across metal surfaces, oil dried and hardened, components worn beyond recognition. The engine, once a masterpiece, now barely alive. So they begin, one bolt at a time, one part after another. Everything comes apart until nothing remains but pieces. This is the moment where most projects fail, but not this one. Every component cleaned, restored, or replaced with precision, measured down to the smallest detail. Because here, perfection isn't optional, it's required. Decades of dirt disappear, layer by layer. The true beauty begins to return. The body carries scars, dents, scratches, memories of a long-forgotten past. But slowly, carefully, those imperfections fade away. Then comes transformation, a fresh coat of iconic silver, applied with absolute precision, bringing back the identity it was always meant to have. Piece by piece, everything returns, each component reconnected, every detail perfectly aligned. What was once scattered now becomes whole again. And then, the moment of truth. After decades of silence, it breathes again. The engine roars back to life, not as it was, but as it should have always been. What once looked forgotten now stands as perfection, not just restored, reborn. From a dusty garage to the open road, a machine once lost to time, now alive again. A reminder that even the rarest legends can find their way back.
If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder.